Hey everybody, if you're trying to install or upgrade a macOS and you're getting this message, I want to show you a solution for that if it winds up being this scenario. So here we have a Mac or an iMac that we're upgrading. We're upgrading to High Sierra and it's on Sierra. So what we use, basically we make our USB installs. So if you have one or if someone gave you one, and you're doing that, like you see that one right there, we got like a code on there, and I'll explain what that code is. So we just put that in, we go to install, and we get that message. What that message is it's what it's telling you is the date is wrong, or it's expired is really what it is. I don't know what the expiration dates are, but I'm going to show you the solution for that if you're getting that that you could try. Okay, so you go up here, I think we're on today's date, right? I went back and forth here, right? So that's today's date, November 18th, right? 2020. We're getting that error. Actually, let me actually click it because I just showed it to you when I started the video. So we go install, right? And it gives us the error. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the date. I already know the date that I have to change it back to, but what you could try is just go back, 6 months and 6 months and 6 months. So you get the date and then just write it down. And that's what we did with ours. The date that I have on mine is January 1st, 2019. And that's what those series of numbers is there. January 1st, 2019. The last digit is the year. So we're going to go and change the date on here. Let's come up. Open date and time. Right. Just log in here. Right, so I'm here. And I'm just going to go back. Actually, let's just go back here to 2019. I don't know how far back I got to go, but the date that I have on there is January. So we'll go to January 2019, save. Right, so we should be January 2019, and then we're going to minimize that, and then we're just going to do the same thing. We're just going to click and see what happens. Boom, ready to install High Sierra. So if you're getting that error and you're using an installation USB that you made a while back and now you're coming back to it, it's not corrupt, it's expired. Just jump back the date 3-6 months at a time until it works. And that's my tip of the day.